Ever imagine that where you live can affect your well-being? A study has found out that people who live in greener areas with more vegetation around have a lower mortality. My name is Benga Phillips, lead consultant GP Homes. Come with me on this topic of greenery and technology. Exposure to nature really makes you feel better emotionally. It contributes to your well-being, reducing blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, and the production of stress hormones. In short, where you live can make you live longer. Wow. At Berkeley, we offer you a home within nature, promoting a green lifestyle with the use of green and renewable energy, ensuring you live green and live well. It provides a whole new world of greenery catered to helping you live green and live well. It also offers you nature's green in abundance, luscious gardens, hardwood trees, and solar power infrastructure. Now is the time to take a step back from all the hustle and back to where it all began. Are you thinking of what is best for you and yours? Dear friends, you need to experience the Oakley.
Benga Phillips signing out. Thank you for watching.